Good morning and welcome to day 2 of the 2019 live meditation experience. I am Rebekah Borucki, for those of you who got invites from your friends or you were tagged in one of my posts and this is your first experience meditating with me. And for all my other folks, how y'all doing? Good morning, good morning. Well, good morning to all of you on the East Coast and the West Coast who are joining us before noon, and to everyone else in the world, thank you so much for joining. Hey, Stacy, what's going on? Sarah Horner, my niece is here. My niece is here. Are you meditating with me, Sarah? Are you doing this with me today? Hello, Esther. So we're going to get started. Today is going to be much shorter than yesterday. Maybe. I don't know. Sometimes I get carried away. And it's going to be a simpler meditation. Yesterday was kind of an intro to all of the things I do. And today is, this one's about positivity. And I'll tell you very briefly how it got started. I was driving with my 15-year-old son yesterday. And we were just talking about stuff that's going on in his life right now and how I might be of assistance in helping him to create better circumstances for himself in terms of relationships, his social life, school, whatever's happening. And I asked him to tell me what was going wrong, like what he needed help with, what wasn't working out for him. And he struggled with that. He started naming things that were going wrong, but in relationship to other people. Like, I keep getting in trouble about not cleaning my room. But I asked him, is that really something that's not working out for you? Does it feel bad for you to have a messy room? Or is it just because it's making me aggravated? Like, what's the deal? And he still struggled with it a little bit. So then I decided to flip it around. I said, tell me what's working for you. Tell me what's going well in your life. And let's break it down into all the different areas of your life. Let's start with your social life, school, move on to relationships at home, money, purpose, service. Like, how do you feel you're showing up in the world? How do you feel you're helping other people? Health. How are you sleeping? Like, how are you feeling when you go to school? Are you getting through your day with lots of energy? What's working for you and what do you want more of? And then the answers started flowing. It was really easy. He knew exactly what he wanted more of in his life. He wanted more money. He wanted more freedom. He wanted to skateboard more with his friends. He wanted to have people over more and have little parties. He wanted to get better grades. He said, my grades are improving and I want that to keep happening. So that was easy. So that's what I want to invite you to do today, is to ask yourself first, what is the area that you want to work on in your life the most? Like, where do you really want to thrive? I know it's going to be a bunch of areas for most people, but the thing that you're really craving, the place where you really want to feel alive, right? So maybe it's in love relationships, romantic relationships, maybe it's in family, maybe it's in work, maybe it's just with money, like you want more financial abundance. So think about that area and then think about what's going well there, even if it's just the littlest thing that's happening good. And think about how you want to amplify that. And we're going to call that in today's meditation. So I'm going to invite you into that space again. Yesterday we crossed over a threshold. We're going to just do a mini version of that. So if it feels good for you right now, go ahead and close your eyes. And if that feels unsafe or uncomfortable, you can pick a spot across the room, an object, or you can just stare at me here on your screen. But for most of you, we're going to close our eyes to remove those visual distractions. If you're sitting right now, try to sit up nice and tall. You can do this by inhaling your shoulders up to your ears. And as you exhale, allow your shoulder blades to fall down along your spine. Pretend that a string is pulling you from the crown of your head up toward the ceiling or the sky, and your chin is parallel to the floor. Maybe try that one more time. Inhale your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, roll your shoulder blades down along your spine. And continue here with your eyes closed or open and focused on an object or a spot on the wall. Observing your easy inhales and exhales, just paying attention to how your breath is flowing in through your nostrils and out of your mouth. How it feels as it enters your body. The temperature, warm or cool. The smoothness of it. The length of it. And the same going out. Just in observation right now, not judgment. You don't have to try to change your breath to impress me or yourself. However you show up to meditation is exactly right. You are right for this moment. Your breath is right for this moment. And make any physical adjustments that are necessary. Make yourself as comfortable as possible. Cross your legs, uncross your legs. Your hands can be downturned on your knees or thighs or upturned to receive energy. Whatever works for you. And allow this to change with each meditation. Comfort is always key. So we collect a lot of ideas, thoughts, words around what we don't want. We hold on to resistance. We know what we like to complain about. We know what's going wrong. I want you to picture that resistance, that so-called negativity, as cloudiness, as murkiness that might be swirling around in your body or even settled in your belly, in your gut, in your seat. Picture that stuff that you don't want as that murkiness, as that lack of clarity, as that cloudiness. And then recall that thing that you want to call in. That thing that you want more of in your life. More love, more independence, more freedom, more financial abundance, more lightness, more vitality, more movement, more good food that makes you feel alive and nourished. Whatever it is you want more of, picture that. With your next breath cycle, you're going to inhale deeply. And as you exhale, picture the cloudiness inside as being released on that exhale. Maybe just a little bit of it for now. And then on the next inhale, lots of directions here, but I know you got it. You're going to welcome whatever it is you want more of in as light, replacing whatever you let go, living in the space that was freed up. Inhale with me. Now on the exhale, release just a little bit of that murkiness, a little bit of that thing that's taking up too much space. Picture what you want more of. Picture that thing. You're calling it in. You're drawing it in with your inhale. Inhale, allow it to enter. Exhale, relax. visit that vision of the inside of your body. That cloudiness, that murkiness, occupying a little bit less space. And the energy of what you want to call in, living there as well. And know that in this moment, and in all moments, those things can live together. We can know what we don't want and also call in and hold space for what we do want. Let's move through that cycle again together. Easy inhale, but nice and deep. Exhale, let go of what isn't serving you, what you don't want. Creating space, creating room. Recalling, seeing what you want to call in. Inhale, welcome in that light. And a nice, long, relaxing exhale. Noticing again that vision. More space occupied by light, that energy of what you want to call in. Giving you energy. Lifting you just a bit. Allowing you to feel settled and easy. Not at all weighed down by whatever worry or resistance you were holding on to before. Occupying maybe equal or even more space than the cloudiness, the murkiness, that lack of clarity. Let's go through that cycle one more time together, because now you've got it. Inhale deeply, smoothly, naturally, and easily. Exhale, let go of any lack of clarity, darkness, cloudiness. Inhale, welcome in more of what you want. You're calling it in. You're drawing it like a magnet to you with that big inhale. Exhale, let go and feel deeply and completely relaxed. Nice, good. Now, return to observing your easy inhales and exhales. Notice how they've changed, how they've become smoother, easier, deeper, fuller. Your breath is saying thank you. It's feeling relaxed, open. Your body feels easy and tension-free. And if there's anything, any place in your body that's signaling, no, I'm not quite ready yet, I'm not quite all the way relaxed yet, inhale and release whatever that is. You know, in your heart, at your core, what is waiting for you, what wants to be let in, what wants to bless you. You know you're ready for it. You know it's ready for you. And all you have to do is call it in. Just tell it you're ready. So as you move throughout today, start looking for all of the opportunities to welcome those blessings in. Start looking for the messages, the signs that say this is the action to take to welcome this in. This is the person to ask. This is the thing to go after. And go after it. Take that action. Ask for that help. Call it in. It's waiting for you. It's ready for you. Whatever you want more of wants to bless you. So as we exit this meditation this morning, this day 2 meditation, feel good about the work that you've done here. Feel good in your body. Know that you are worthy. And we're going to take 3 deep breaths together to seal it all in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Big exhale. Maybe this time just a big audible sigh to really let it all go. And to make that space, inhale. Exhale. Go ahead and open your eyes. Hey y'all, how's it going? So I'm gonna leave you to however you're feeling right now. Comments and questions are welcome, so just post them and I will get to every single one of them. If you want to invite someone you love or care about into this little live experience, you can use the links in the video description. And I will see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern for day 3. What's it going to be about? Leave your request.